Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play music on Lexus ES350. Start by powering on the vehicle and infotainment, then pair your phone via Bluetooth or connect via USB for faster playback. Select audio, choose Bluetooth or USB as the source, and pick your playlist or app. Use steering wheel controls or the rotary knob to play, pause, skip, and adjust volume. Confirm audio output shows Lexus or connected device to ensure sound. Troubleshoot common Bluetooth and playback issues with a few quick checks. Verify Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and not connected to another device, then forget and repair if needed. Reboot the infotainment by turning ignition off and on, and check software updates in settings or at dealership. For USB issues, use a certified cable and try different ports. If audio is low, inspect speaker balance and volume limit settings to restore full sound. Explore advanced playback options and preferences for a more convenient listening experience. Enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto via the USB connection to access apps, maps, and playlists directly on the display. Use voice commands to play artists, albums, or playlists without touching controls. Set favorites and presets to recall stations quickly, and adjust EQ and sound modes in settings to match your preference. Consider using a high.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.